Ah, there you go. Right. Prepare to be amazed.
In 3, 2, 1.
Here we go. Oh! The Robert!
Oh no! Oh no! That's not supposed to happen!
Oh! No! Robert!
Robert!
Yes!
Somebody turn it off!
I'm trying, but the slime, it's messed with the controls!
Oh, that's it. Prettiest town, messiest town, more like it. I'm off, and I'm taking this award with me.
Sorry, Mrs. Gardner. Sorry, Mrs. Wilson.
Another sticker. Thank you, Mrs. Wilson. Little Em, wake up. Look, the chrysalis is opening. Wow. Hey, Leslie.
Please wait, Mrs. Gardner. Please don't leave.
I'm sorry, but look at this place. There's holes in all the flowers and the plants. There's slime everywhere. And quite frankly, this entire garden is just totally beautiful.
Leslie, is that you?
It sure is. Leslie's changed from a caterpillar into a butterfly.
How beautiful.
Oh!
Be still, my beating heart. Oh, you have got the most beautiful butterfly garden I have ever seen. Which means that Justin Town really is the prettiest town after all.
Yes!
First prize!
Oh, Mrs. Gardner, thank you. And thank you, Leslie, and all of your friends.
Stickers all round.
Hooray! Oh, thank you, Mrs. Wilson. Oh, this is wonderful. I love to laugh and giggle. And if you want to join us for some more laughing and giggling, then you can find us on BBC iPlayer. Woohoo!